How to use TikTok on PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and type in www.tiktok.com on your search bar. Press on enter and then log into your TikTok account as usual. After you've logged in, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you can simply scroll through your For You page. Or if you want phone-like option, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen, you'll find all these options pop up. Scroll down and then click on More Tools. Then click on Developer Tools. In here on the right side, you will find Bar, which is beside Elements at the top left. Simply click on Toggle Device Toolbar, and then as you can see, it is showing like how it will be on mobile. You can also swipe. If you want to undo, simply click on the same button and it will undo. Another thing, what you can do is simply open Microsoft Store. After you open Microsoft Store, click on Search button at the top right. Simply click on Search and then search for TikTok. After you search for TikTok, click on TikTok. Press on Get option and then download TikTok and log into your TikTok. This is how to use TikTok on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.